Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you 3 easy ways to remove your background in your image and make it transparent so you can use it on awesome thumbnails like this. You might ask yourself, why would you need to remove your background? Well, a lot of times if you make YouTube videos or if you make GIFs or if you make memes, you want just the face of the person. You want just an element with no background, transparent background, nothing behind, so you can use it in other images. So these 3 methods are really good to do that. They're free, there's no Photoshop involved, and they're quick, which is awesome. We'll go over them by specifics. One of them is specifically to Windows, and the other 2 are using web browsers. So the Windows one, I'm sorry, Mac users, you can't use that method. I believe that Mac has a method of doing the same way, but it's not as good. If you're new to this channel, please smash the like button and subscribe to us for more awesome videos like this.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and start by selecting an image that we have that we want to remove the background from. In my instance, I want to remove a background from this image right here. So this image is me being crazy basically. I've used this image on a thumbnail in the past. The first method that I really like using is Paint 3D. Paint 3D comes with Windows 10 for free. It's easy to use and it is amazing. Once you open Paint 3D in here, it's a pretty cool tool. It's free on Windows 10. You want to come in here, select Magic Select, lift an object out of your image, will automatically fill in the background. You want to select this, you want to come down in here and select what you want to make transparent. So I want to make my face, my body transparent. It shows you here how to cut out an area. What does that mean? Press next. And you want to autofill background and press done. And we have this. You want to right click on Paint and press a new instance of Paint, a new right here. You want to go to Canvas and toggle the transparent canvas on the top right side here. Once you do that, you want to come in here, press Control C, which will copy the cutout, come back in here and press Control V. And there we go. Now we have the image with the background that's transparent. You can come in here and press Save As, and you can save the image as whatever you want it to be. Alright guys, so sometimes when you're using Paint 3D, it doesn't do a great job if you have like a different object in the background. So if you select this, for example, right, you will see that the image is not able to get rid of the background here and there. We want to basically remove. When you click on remove right here, it will show you basically how to use it. Too much selected, mark unwanted areas, right? So I'm going to select, I want to remove this area, and the software automatically knows which area to remove. Then I want to select, I want to remove this area. There you go. So you can see how easy it is to remove more of the background, right? Even if you didn't do it. So like if I want to remove this, I just remove the box right here on the bottom right corner. So it's pretty neat, huh? The second way that I want to show you that works really well for removing backgrounds is this website called Remove.bg. Right, Remove.bg basically has been around for a while. It basically, you upload an image, removes the background for you. It gives you a free version that is a preview. I think it's like 500 pixels by something. It's really good to use on thumbnails, but it's not good to use if you want to like upload it to social media or do more with it, right? So the free edition is you come in here, you select the image that you want, and process it. Voila, right? You have the 2 options. Why do I keep saying voila? I'm not even whatever that language is. You press download if you want the free edition and you want to download high resolution. They give you 1 credit. You have to put in your email. They send you the full high resolution one for free the first time, and then you have to pay. And they have tab for pricing right here. But they have the free edition here that you can come in here and use anytime you want. You press download, and there we go. We have a transparent image. It looks pretty nice, a little lower resolution, but it's still very usable in a lot of scenarios, which is really awesome. And the third way to do it, which I do not recommend using when you're using a picture of a human. The main thing about this tool, right, this is online PNG tools. If you do not have a background that is solid and it's the same exact color, this will not work. If I wanted to get a product image background to be transparent, or a logo transparent, like in the background, I had a logo that had a white background and I wanted to be transparent, this is a tool I would use, because as you can see, once you upload an image right here, so I'm going to start with this one, it's going to fail miserably, right? So this is you got to find the color of the background that matches it. So this image, I tried to find the hex code for this, and this is it right here. I wanted to do 10% similarity with that hex code to remove. But you can see, obviously, my skin tone is very similar to the background, so it started removing that. So it looks basically like crap. But at the same time, if you try to import a different image, like this camera image right here, and you imported it, right? And then the background for this camera is white. So we're gonna come in here and delete this and press FFF. And FFF is the hex for white. It takes a second, so it's a little slower. It's not as fast. It's not as fast as the other one because it's live editing as you're uploading. So, but you can see I put FFF in here, 10% similarity, which I didn't need to do that because it's all white. But you can see, look at that. The image looks pretty neat. I cleared out the background for us. And if we press save as, download it, there we go. I mean, it looks pretty nice, right? But yeah, let's go and compare all three tools. Okay, so these are all the images next to each other, ones that we tried to doing, right? So you can see the quality in between, right? So this is Paint 3D. You can see that it highlighted a little more of the background, didn't get rid of it fully, but you won't really notice that if you're using this image on a thumbnail or whatever. The second one is the Remove.bg, did a great job, little lower resolution, like not as crispy in the eye. Look, if you do here, you can see the crispiness in the eye. The nostril is beautiful versus this is a little blurry, which you might want to do that because I have boogers in there. And this is the third one that failed miserably because the color does not match. But if you have a solid color on a background, it would do really good, such as this camera, right? This camera had a white background and using it, got rid of the background super easily. Looks beautiful. Really good to use that tool for these scenarios. But for other tools, for other images that you want to get rid of the background, I would rather use Remove.bg or Paint 3D.
If you made it this far in this video, thank you very much. That was all for showing you how to remove your background from your image. Again, if you're new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button. Don't forget, I stream every weekday, so come hang out with me at twitch.tv/GivemChills. All the links are in the description. And what else? Oh, that's it. Thank you for watching. You have a good one.